1Zpresso JX Manual Coffee Grinder Light Gray Capacity 35 grams with assembly stainless steel conical burr, numerical internal adjustable setting, portable mill faster grind efficiency to coarse for filter. Best sale grinder, looking for quality but budget grinder? 1Zpresso JX grinder worth it. Durable 48mm conical burr makes greater grinding efficiency. Internal fixing between the burr and central shaft, impressive consistency grind. Balance your coffee, over 40 clicks range of grind settings, ideal for your filters coffee. Get your freshly ground coffee with full-bodied flavor. Also, if you would like to drink espresso occasionally, there are 20 clicks range for espresso. Grinding coffee no longer has to equate to hassle, having a fun time, easy to clean, by dismantling pieces without tools. Proper allows the best grinding results and the best taste in the cup. With assembled properly, you don't even need to recalibrate again. Bonus-free cleaning brush included. Product guarantees: the burr was calibrated and fixed in place by the 1Zpresso team. Ensure no wobbly parts or burrs that come loose as time goes on. Estimated grind approx 300 kg by general use. Includes a 1-year limited warranty. You will definitely get 100% customer support. Coffee is life, with users' vision. We are working on the products. What are you actually need? Chose a 1Zpresso product to stay with you. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.